Waking up to morning light, feeling so alive. Sunshine through the window makes my spirit thrive. Coffee in my favorite cup, a little time to think. These simple joys of life, they give me all I need. Simple joys, simple pleasures, moments that we treasure. Laughter with friends, love that never ends. In these simple joys I find my happiness. Walking through the park, nature all around. Birds are singing sweetly, such a lovely sound. Holding hands with you underneath the trees. In these simple moments I find my peace. Simple joys, simple pleasures, moments that we treasure. Laughter with friends, love that never ends. In these simple joys I find my happiness. Life can get so busy, we forget what's true. But in these little moments I find the real you. We don't need much to feel complete, just the simple joys that make life sweet. Simple joys, simple pleasures, moments that we treasure. Laughter with friends, love that never ends. In these simple joys I find my happiness. So busy, we forget what's true. But in these little moments I find the real you. We don't need much to feel complete, just the simple joys that make life sweet.
Okay, up. Kakount tayo ng 8 hanggang pabalik. Nakabili tayo. Okay? Ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ayan ang kaloy.
7, 8,
Vice, yan ang kaloy.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Saan ang reaction? Hindi mo gugupit?
Ah. Ang reaction niyan dito sa tuhod.
Okay. Ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang reaction nasa ito.
Yo, sa tuhod yan. Pampalakas ng tuhod.
Kung kaya natin ibaba, up, ibaba, up, ibaba. Moderate lang, ha?
Oh, squat ng tawag ha. Squat yan.
O, try ko ha. Tingnan nyo ako, ha?
Yan ang tinatawag na squat. 1,
Okay, kita nyo?
2.
O, huwag natin bibilisan, ha?
Oh, sige.
Pwede rin.
Oh.
Hawak ang kamay. Harapan.
Dahan-dahan na, dahan-dahan lang. Oh. Oh, ready? Oh, count.
Set, go.
1. Up. 2.
5, 6, parang meron. 7, 8, 7, 6,
Morning.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, relax, relax.
Yung pumping nyo naman, ganito naman yun. Dito part, hindi naman kapukahan. Okay? Kung kaya,
Mabigat yan, Brad. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan. Huwag mong pwersahin.
hindi mabagal. Panaban ako, kasi yung pila ko, kahit yung ba yan, basta ako na yung pila ko. Kasi, ang reaction yan, lahat na ha, lahat, plus, pupunta yan sa ulo yung nagpa-vlog live.
Magkakaroon kayo ng parang vertigo dyan na may lula.
Para at least alam natin kung ano may reaction, ha? Ako muna. Okay, ready, set, go. 1, Okay, yung paan natin, magbabakli tayo, yung heel, tatalon sa tapat. Kaya? Kaya? Kaya, no? Kaya! Kaya dito. Kaya, hindi na pati yan. Hindi na pati yun, paki na yun. Dito lang ang bakli. Okay. Kaini tayo. Kaini sa harap. Moderate. Kasi meron nagkahaini. Ang praso. Ang praso kasi ng kaini. Yan. Ganon. Straight lang siya. Pero kasi nagkahaini na.
45 degree lang, wag masyadong mataas. Naka-level lang gano'n, no? 45 lang, wag nyo nang i-75 kasi masakit dito yan.
Moderate tayo.
May pilit niya sa, ano, sa magiging palit nyo.
Ano?
Oh.
Okay na?
45 degree, 45 lang.
Kamay sa bewang, kaini, 45 degrees, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Meron tayong